Matt Furlong with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is a beautiful boat. This is a brand new arrival. We've got it set up here. We're going to be in a black and white hull color scheme. We've got the stainless steel windlass anchor on the front of this one. This is the 3-zone hull color setup on this boat. So we went with the white hull side, black underneath the rail, and then the full black hull bottom on this one. Gives it a really sharp look when you tie that in with the white sports tower and black bimini. So we've got black canvases with this one, with that white and black exterior. As we come around towards the back of the boat, the aesthetics tie right in with the dune interior. So we're gonna have a really, really classy look to this boat. This one's gonna be set up with a lot of cool features. The SDX is gonna be set up on the 290 with trim tabs underneath here. We've got our ladder set up right in the back here. Bravo 3 drive. This one's actually going to be equipped as well with the through hull underwater lights. It's going to have blue lights under this one. We've also got the swim step on here. This is the manual swim step. You can drop it down. Gives you the ability to sit in the water and not have to be fully submerged. Otherwise, you can sit right in the back of the boat and have this drop down and be able to just dangle your feet in the water. A little bit more relaxed. Be able to sit back here, watch the kids play, hang out. Gives you the ability to really utilize this boat, more times of the year than not, and giving you the ability to, use it in more aspects. Let's go on, get up on top of this one. We'll check out some of the interior features, and we'll go through that a little bit here now too. All right, so as we move to the interior of this boat, and we're on the back of the boat here, you've got the nice dual lounger layout on the back of this one. They also have an option that you can do. We can do a full sun pad here as well, but this one's obviously equipped with the dual loungers. That's probably our more preferred choice. You're gonna have a couple of different things in the back here. You're gonna have a little storage compartment. You're also gonna have a built-in cooler. Great for throwing your Gatorades or whatever your cocktail of choice is. Throw some ice in there with it, you're good to go. Gives you that nice little spot to hang out in the back of the boat. Relax, get some sun, enjoy being out on the lake in the middle of the summer. We've got the sea deck on the back of the boat all the way through the walkthrough. We're gonna come through here, get a couple of cool features right on the walkthrough. We're gonna have a power point right here, which is gonna be great for blowing up your tubes, as well as we have a remote on the back of the boat here for your stereo as well. So you don't have to go all the way back up to the main dash to be able to change your tunes. You can do it right from the back of the boat. Gas fill cap. You're also gonna have a nice water wash down in the back of the boat here. So if your feet are all sandy from hanging out at the beach and you don't want to bring that on the boat, you can wash your feet off and keep it off of the boat. As we're coming towards the inside here, you're also gonna have a side step. So depending on where you're docked at, it gives you a nice extra spot to step getting in and out of the boat. Coming right up here, we're gonna have our entertainment area. We have a nice sink right here with it. Right next to that is going to be a secondary as well, both with drains as you'd imagine. The interior of this one is going to have the woven flooring in here. So there's 3 different options for it. The woven flooring is one of our most popular. We've also got an option for a snap-in sea deck flooring as well. The interior on this one is going to be set up with dune. Really gives it a nice classy look with that white and black exterior. We're gonna have lighting throughout the interior of this one. The cool thing about the SDX lineup is it's got such an open feel to it. So our seating arrangement, you've got the ability to really open up the whole interior of the cockpit here for entertaining and being able to hang out with your guests and kids and family and really have a good time out in the water, and you're not segregated from anyone. So it gives you that nice option. Back to heading across the lake, you're gonna have 2 different options when it comes to your seating on both sides here. You've got bolsters on both seats, so you can flip these up if you want to have a little bit better viewpoint as you're heading across the lake. Gives you that nice upright feel. So looking over at the dash here, 2 things that we're going to look at that are main things here. This one's going to have the upgraded Fusion stereo on it, so you're going to have a better sound system on this boat than what the standard option would be, as well as the Simrad touchscreen. So the Simrad Dash gives you a lot of cool features. You're going to have charting capabilities. You're going to have built-in maps with it. It's going to give you all of your technical specs for all your engine data that you're going to want to see: miles per hour, fuel, your RPMs, everything's going to be loaded right on there. It's all touchscreen. You can toggle through all the different modes. You can run split screen on it, so you can have multiple things that you can look at one time. Really, really cool feature. Everybody loves the Simrads. Over on this side, nice big head area in here with a nice wash down sink station. All right, so now as we work our way down into the back side of the dash here, we're gonna have tons of storage space. We've got our table tucked away here. We've got poles in here, lots and lots of space, giving you, good spot to get everything out of the way so you don't have any clutter that's gonna be out on the floor. On the walkway, we're also gonna have our air down. Close this over, you can flip the windshield closed. So those days when you're out early in the morning, late in the evening, it's a little cooler, and you want to block that wind off of you, keep nice and warm inside the cockpit, great feature to have. Now as we move up into the bow of the boat here, you can see it's like all SDXs, nice and open. We've got that nice wide front end of this boat. Very, very comfortable. You've got big lounge seating in the front, giving you a good capacity, the ability to get all your guests on the boat. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Set an appointment, come in and check out the brand new 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX.